Welcome to Cineflow AI training videos. In this tutorial we are going to show how to use Media Library in Cineflow AI. Go to the left menu and click on Media Library. Here you can search and download stock images, videos and audios. For images, go to the images and just enter keyword and type of image you want. And your result is ready. You can download it. For videos, go to the video and just enter keyword and type of video you want. And your result is ready. You can download it. For audios, go to the audios and just enter your keyword. And your result is ready. You can play it and also download it. Thanks for watching the video.